So there's a new style in town going really trending nowadays, which is Ghibli photo style. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Ghibli style images very easily and recreate amazing movie scenes with the help of an amazing AI tool. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys. So first of all, for that, we're going to go to Google and search for FlexClip AI Image Generator. So we're going to click on the first link right over here. So it's going to direct you to the homepage of FlexClip. So over here, we need to go ahead and go to the AI tools in that and click on AI image to image generator, you guys, right? All right, so after that, it's going to direct you to this page of FlexClip where you can see we have lots of different styles for AI image to image generation. We have the anime style, painting, 3D, we have stylized, but specifically we are looking for this Ghibli photo style right over here. So we're going to click on that. And over here, you need to simply go ahead and upload your image right over here, you guys, right? So yeah, first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this image right over here. So this image is of some like Indian character, I must say. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this right over here. Make sure to select our Ghibli style, and then you can go ahead and input your prompts just in case if you want to go ahead and provide more information to FlexClip. But I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. So let's just quickly go ahead and generate, make our image count as 2, so we have more generations. All right, so just like that, it's gonna go ahead and create these kind of generations for me. You guys can see it looks absolutely perfect. Like this was a reference image, and for that, it provided me with these generations. So you guys can see the Ghibli effect is looking really good. This is exactly what we were looking for. A very trendy effect that's really going on and on right now, you guys, right? All right, so after that, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on different movie scenes. So I have like different movie scenes of Leonardo DiCaprio, then of Andrew Garfield, Tobey Maguire, Breaking Bad, and now you see me as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and simply download one of the scenes from different movies just to go ahead and recreate because it's really trending nowadays, you guys. All right, so for the first one, we're gonna go ahead and take this scene of Now You See Me, a movie, and I'm gonna go ahead and simply upload this right over here. Make sure to select our Ghibli style. You can add in your prompt as well if you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it as it is. So yeah, for the first time, it provided me with the generation. Looks good, not too bad, but I can see the faces aren't that much restored. We see a little bit of a deformation in the faces. So how you can go ahead and fix that is really easy. So for that, we can go ahead and simply add in a prompt like restore faces and provide more information like Ghibli effect HD. And now we're going to go ahead and try it once again. Okay, so this time it provided me with these generations. You guys can see now it looks really good. The faces are restored and the characters are really visible. And this was our reference image for the scene. And now the Ghibli effect that we got was this. So yeah, it looks really good. And similarly, I basically went ahead and created more generations. The second one was of Breaking Bad, like this scene right over here. I'm pretty much sure you guys must be familiar with that. And for that, it provided me with these generations. Like, take a look at this. This was the first one, then the second one, and then we have these two as well of different scenes of Breaking Bad. So yeah, you guys can take a look. Like these look really good. Then we have another scene of Tobey Maguire Spider-Man. So yeah, it looks absolutely perfect. No deformation, no nothing whatsoever. The Spider-Man costume got really well into that. And then we have the another one which is of the Amazing Spider-Man 2, and I got lots of generations for that as well. You guys can see this one is the best one. Looks really good. The faces are restored and clearly provides that Ghibli effect that we are looking for. And then for the last one, the iconic Leonardo DiCaprio scene from this movie. And yeah, this one turned out absolutely perfect as well, you guys, right? So yeah, similarly, I basically went ahead and created so many other generations. Like this is the generation of Cristiano Ronaldo. And yeah, not this one, but this one it's looking really good. We have that Ghibli effect into that, and then we have some more and more characters. You guys can see all of them look really good, you guys, right? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method to go ahead and try out the new trending Ghibli effect that's really going on and on right now. So yeah, I'm sure you like this video, guys, and if you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. Till then, take care. Bye bye.